When it comes to finishing touches like small trim, shoe molding, or baseboards, the right brad nails make all the difference. CRAFTSMAN's 18-gauge brad nails deliver just that: precision, reliability, and versatility for your indoor projects. This project pack includes 300 nails in 3 popular lengths: 3/4 inch, 1-1/4 inch, and 2 inch. That variety ensures you have exactly what you need on hand, whether you're working on delicate trim or thicker baseboards. Plus, these nails are designed exclusively for indoor use, so they're optimized for smooth, clean results inside your home. One of the biggest advantages of these CRAFTSMAN brad nails is how well they perform with standard 18-gauge nailers. For example, users pairing them with a WEN 18-ga nailer report no jams and consistent driving power. In fact, one customer used the 1-1/4 inch nails on pine wood, setting the air compressor to 80 psi, and achieved perfectly sunk heads without damaging the wood surface. This level of performance matters because it means less time fussing with your tool and more time focused on your project. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, these brad nails help you work faster and cleaner. And since the pack covers multiple nail lengths, you avoid unnecessary trips to the store or guesswork about what size to buy. If you often tackle indoor trim work, this 18-gauge brad nail pack is worth a look. It combines solid value with proven compatibility and consistent results. What you get is a dependable supply of nails that won't jam your nailer and will hold your trim pieces securely in place. Choosing the right brad nails means smoother finishes and less hassle. With CRAFTSMAN's Variety Pack, you're prepared for a range of projects without overspending or running short. The nails' indoor-only design also ensures they're optimized for woodwork around your home, avoiding rust or corrosion issues that outdoor nails might face. If that's you, someone who wants reliable, easy-to-use brad nails for indoor trim and molding, this pack fits the bill. It's a straightforward solution that helps you get the job done right the first time. Try the CRAFTSMAN 18-gauge brad nail project pack when you're ready to upgrade your finishing work. With its proven track record and thoughtful variety, it's a smart addition to your toolkit for cleaner, faster results on every indoor project.